Hi, I'm Marla Warner. I'm a speaker with Clear Concept. Have you ever noticed how we tend to speak about stress as an all negative? This causes me stress, that's so stressful, it's such a stressful time of year. You get the idea. To be clear, none of us thrive when the pressure is too high. Chronic stress does lead to poor performance, health problems, it may impact our relationships, and it can lead to burnout. None of us want this. But it turns out that a moderate level of stress can be beneficial, providing us with more focus, clarity, and even confidence. Elite performers know that success is an inside game. As a well-being professional, I'm passionate about supporting people to navigate stress and boost their resilience. This is why I enjoy facilitating our Thriving Under Stress program. This program is packed with strategies to build resilience, and I share the importance of practicing these skills, not just during the high pressure times, but when life feels rather calm. This is critical to ensure that we have the coping skills we require when the tough times do arise. Part of building resilience is supporting people to leverage the power of mindset, so that they can maximize their potential and bring their best when it matters most. In our program, Thriving Under Stress, I share how we can manage the negative effects of stress, reframe limiting thoughts and beliefs, empower us to take positive action, and shift our perspective to boost confidence, fuel performance. When I'm working with clients and they realize that by shifting their mindset, they can achieve outstanding results, this is incredibly powerful. This is how we thrive at work and in life. I'm proud to be a speaker with Clear Concept.